Welcome zooming down, he's looking for a move on the number 8 to pass within the next lap. Team Motors trying to find himself in a race with his own at the moment, no real competition out there. Team Motors, so that number 9, albeit noisy, is still extremely quick out there today. Once again, streaming down to the hairpin, very late braking, squeeze the car in, and I believe it's the top all the way out. Up on the LM Shelby, this will be very interesting spot. Has gained more advantages to number 1. Once again, climbing the double from the 666. We saw the battle is still 1 versus 46. Now 60 touching. He always got up the inside there, he's pushing it wide. And he's not going to be able to tap a line in time. And the 46 actually got past number 1. So it's crazy there, but the number 1 needs to try and get back in that as soon as possible. They've got a bit, the 666 is back out on the track, but it's got a lot of ground to make up. This will be interesting. We have made a driver swap. We're talking about quickly and achieving his role back in the midfield, trying to 40 grade past the number 60. Get the job. Oh, he's going to carry on! Number 60! Oh, I'm going to jump it and then. Get the job. Oh, he's going to carry on! Number 60! Stop, and he completely misjudged the inside line, and then he just knows just about punching the line at this point. But we're racing again, 2-1, and we're racing, the race gets back underway, and look how much he has already, as the rest of the field navigate through, and already an overtaking move there, the crazy 8, just wasn't as crazy as expected. Nonetheless, he gets the position, albeit in a very aggressive way. Going strong, use all that kind of situation to his advantage, and there's the number 1 being towed in. Hopefully, well, maybe the car should be able to be fixed, but unfortunately that was a big incident. Thankfully she's okay. Number 60 just another lap, 86 on the cell now, so she's just regaining the lead. Tries to get through some lap traffic into turn 1. Can he get the job done? It's another question. Yes, he can. Last start on the track is not behind. Wherever it leaders at 1 point joint on the same lap, so all the time. Now the race is only over. And the 46 still leads the way. Now the 60 with the new driver. 60 just trying to pull through. Now you let the 46 start moving nothing else. The 60. Now the quickest car on the track. And now the 60 is all over the map. New car's got a pace there. is there enough time for a manoeuvre? And what impact would it have? As the yellow flag is one more corner to go. And he really has done an exceptional job, not just in this race, but in the last as well. It's the double, they're beating the underdogs and win the race. An exceptional job. Absolutely stunning by the 666 team. Second place was the number. Massive thank you to those. Massive thank you to Sam for organising the event. It's been a big success, plenty of action going on today. And a big thank you to James Chappell as well for providing some music in between the races. And thank you to all the drivers that took part and making this event what it is.
The winner of the limo race is 666. Hey! Please make your way to the stage to collect your prize. Absolutely fantastic effort today from the entire team, so well done. Collect themselves a nice trophy and some medals as well. And don't forget to stand by for the prize draw. Some great prizes up for grabs, so we'll draw those very soon.
Up on the LM Shelby, this will be very interesting.